Yeah, have you ever encountered a case of someone with hoarding disorder? What do you think are the causes? So maybe Miss K want to give your opinion about this one? Hello,
Uh,
Miss K?
okay. Have you ever encountered a case of someone with hoarding disorder? What do you think are the causes? Mm, okay, in my life, I never encounter a case of someone with hoarding disorder, but I have someone who has the opposite. Yeah, that's my mom. My mom doesn't keep something that she don't need it. Even the things still working, still good, still deserve. But if she don't need it, she will throw up. She will throwing or giving to another like that. Yeah, that's opposite. And what do you think are the causes? Okay, I think um the suffer hoarding disorder, they need help and they need support from close one, from their family, from their environment, their society, and they need treatment by psychiater or yeah, like that,
Mm.
because that's mental illness that that they do that be, because they don't lazy. Yeah, just they have anxiety, stress. If they throw up their things, yes, they really love their thing, so that's why they keep it, all the thing that they have, even they don't need it, they still keep it like that. Yeah, that's cause mental illness.
Okay, so they need support from others to.
Yeah.
Mhm. That's very good because someone who has a lot of problem or living alone sometimes they are it's easy to be get stressed to get started. It's stress. It's easy, I guess. So what about you, Miss Double J? Have you ever encountered a case of someone with hoarding disorder? What do you think are the causes?
Nope, and I don't have any idea about it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you don't have idea? Or
No.
maybe you watch in the social media or television that someone do a hoarding disorder because yeah, I ever see someone who stay in others country. I don't know which part the place. But I make sure that that's from others country, and I see they how to say that they someone upload that video. Uh, they clean. Yes, they clean their house, someone house, and that's very terrible. Yes, and for this one, guys, for me myself, it's happened for me in the past when I have a lot of tax homework from university and uh, I don't have opportunity to to fix it or to clean my room, but I don't think so that I that's I call hoarding disorder because um I don't have an opportunity to make it a tidy my room because I have a lot of job, I have a lot of tax because in the past I continue my study while I was working like that. So yeah, it's really hard for me. Thank you, by the way, guys. So okay, let's continue to the next question. What is the differences between someone who is lazy? We all talk about um difference lazy and then hoarding disorder. Wanna give comment or opinion about this one first?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I take the first. Between lazy and hoarding disorder is totally different. Lazy is a habit, character. They lazy to clean or throw away the thing that they need. But hoarding disorder, that mental illness. Yeah, as I said before, the suffer will stress or they get threatened and anxiety if the thing throw up. Yeah, they don't lazy, but because of mental illness, they do that. Yeah, you know, um, as you said before, sometimes the sufferer looks pretty with good appearance, good looking, good clothes in the outside. But if you see the room, if you see the house, it's so terrible. Yeah. So we cannot see the character. We cannot see someone by their appearance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miss. And what about you, Miss Double J?
I don't know this kind of person before, but I'm agree with Miss K. The, hello?
Yeah.
I'm totally agree with you.
Okay. Thank you, Miss GJ.
My pleasure. Because I'm the opposite one, so I just going to share my story about my disorder.
Okay.
Maybe later.
Uh, okay. Back to Miss Adra.
Sorry, guys. I serve my customer first. So,
Oh, okay. Take your time.
but I didn't hear your opinion. Sorry. Would you mind to repeat again? I'm so sorry.
I skip.
Skip.
Yeah. She
Mm-hmm.
said she agree with me.
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. For me myself, that's totally different about lazy and hoarding disorder. I like our sister before said that hoarding disorder is an illness or disease, this mental disease like that. But for lazy we can still control about lazy. As long as we can fighting like that, fight with ourselves. Like we can think about our goal. For example, it's happened for me actually, by the way, about lazy. When I get a lot of problem and I don't want to do anything, even watch do my this, it's really hard for me. I'm lazy because I'm stay alone. I don't have a mom. My mom never angry to me or mad to me if I didn't do. I don't do this, so I don't care. But as long as I think that it is not good for me, especially about my environment, because as we know that if we are staying in the dirty house or in the dirty environment, it is not good for our air. Yes, for our air. Then for our place, especially if someone who really know about the religion, they will say that, oh my god, that's very dirty. We can say that um uh, kebersihan, something like kebersihan sebagian dari iman, like that. So we must make sure that our place still tidy and clean like that. But for hoarding disorder, um because they have a bad habit, I guess, hoarding disorder, there are a lot of cases, there are a lot of um there are a lot of sign, I guess, about hoarding disorder. That's why they do bad things. They don't care about that. They only focus on the problem like that. And then hoarding disorder um only can fix it by maybe scared or go to the hospital like that. That's my opinion, guys, by the way. What I give addition, guys?
Okay, nice, perfect.
Okay, what about Miss J? Want to give addition?
No.
Now, Miss G or Miss K?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We don't need anything to add, and it's enough.
Okay. Let's continue, guys. About the third question, what would you do if someone has hoarding disorder? What would you do? So, like, would you take him or take her to the hospital, or would you try to give them or feed them something like that, or give some advice like that? So, what do you think about it, Miss K? Do you have others?
Okay, if someone I know has hoarding disorder and I'll give my hand to take them. She therapist, yeah, she like psychiatrist and get treatment. And I'll support them. Um, yeah, like that, miss. Yeah, because we need support from um their close one, their family and society. Don't judge them,
Mhm.
don't mock them. Just give your hand to heal them, like that.
I see. So we need to support.
Yeah, that's not because they are lazy, because they have mental illness.
I see. I see. Okay, thank you. By the way, Miss, for your opinion. And what about you, Miss J? What would you do?
Me?
Yeah, what would you do if you find
Mm,
uh someone who has a hoarding disorder? Maybe I'm not saying that amit yeah, Miss J.
mm.
I say that maybe your friends has a hoarding disorder, and what would you do for the first step like that? Would you help him or her like that?
Leave her alone.
Leave her alone.
Yeah, she needs time. Yeah, she needs time. Just give her time. Even okay, so I know this person. I mean, it's one of my relatives. I don't know this is lazy or protein disorder, but when there's a lot of rubbish in the house and even in the living room, in yeah, like all over the house, and then after I tried to clean up everything and the next day, 2 or 3 days later, it's the 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 house still look the same, so it's useless. And for giving that person advice, it's not really works because it's just a habit for that person. It's habit. It's built maybe for years and years, so it can't be stopped for when in one day for one reason now. Okay, thank you so much.
Uh, okay. Uh, so you have experience. I mean, you have
My
someone. I mean,
cousin,
oh, your
yes, my
cousin.
cousin.
Okay.
Okay, I hear you before that you will leave her or him alone, right? But
Hmm.
I guess that is it not dangerous if we only leave them alone without give some advice or do something to them? You get it? What?
Yeah, I mean, leave her alone doesn't mean that we don't care about that person. We just giving time for her to think why there is no one visiting her, and yeah, maybe she will learn her lesson from that.
I get it. I get it.
Mhm.
Okay. Thank you. By the way, that's very good opinion, Miss J. Thank you. And this is that's my turn. This is my turn, guys. What would I do if someone I know has hoarding disorder? Um, actually, I have a different opinion with Miss J that she or but how to say that she said you said that you will live alone, but for me myself I try to find solution about the someone who close with me, especially maybe my friends or one of my family like that. I try to find a solution, and after I talk with my family, maybe we will find a solution there. Maybe we will send him to go to hospital and try to clean their house, something like that. That's one thing that I will do, guys. Okay.
Because you are normal.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Sorry.
I'm not. I mean, I'm the opposite from this person. So I'm avoiding any contact with that person.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. I get it. Sorry,
I'm
but
I'm I'm obsessive on compulsive disorder, and it's for hygiene. So last time when I was in in very worst situation, I couldn't shake people's hand. Can you
Oh,
imagine that?
uh,
When I do that, I could wash my hand until bleeding.
oh my God.
so sorry. Sorry to hear that. I'm so sorry. I don't know.
Yeah, because you are
So
normal.
you always
Thank God.
clean your hand every time?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's one. That's why. One of the reason you actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because
Before
you
I.
are normal. I'm not.
Okay, I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. I'm okay. I'm trying to be okay anyway.
How about your house, your room? You always clean your house every time?
Hygiene.
Oh, oh, too
Super
high.
duper hygiene.
Oh my God. Oh,
And yeah, there's no one I ever enter my room except me.
Oh,
oh my God. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, may I know you?
Yeah, sure.
Because I'm curious about someone who have condition like you.
Mm-hmm.
If uh, uh are you have boyfriend, or do you
Nope.
have? No, never.
I can't live with anyone, include
Oh,
my sibling,
oh,
my family. I can't.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Because because you will know, yeah, they not really clean.
Yeah,
You worried, yeah.
different level of hygiene.
Oh. So if there is someone touch you without warning,
I'll get
you, oh,
anxiety and anger. Yeah, I in the past I'm having anger issue. Uh I couldn't deal with my anger management, but now it's like better.
mm,
I can't. That's why I'm an introvert.
oh, yeah, yeah. I ever seen on movie someone who like you, and
Mm,
she has a boyfriend, but the boyfriend normal,
mm.
and I forget about the ending. Yeah, I mean, I guess the ending happy. I don't know.
Yeah, thank God.
yeah, but I really proud of you, Miss Double J,
Yeah, thanks.
because even how to say that you said before that you are introvert one, but you're still join and try to practice your English and join in a group, something like that. And
Oh, it's different. I mean, I'm only on in introvert in real life.
Oh,
I
I
can
see.
be
I see.
I can be extrovert and ambivert at any moment in online. I could speak for 24 hours with strangers.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm thinking sometimes I'm thinking am I having another mental like multiple personalities or something? But my friends say no, you are just being you. You can do whatever you want. Being
mm,
introvert in real life it doesn't mean you can be introvert in online world also. You're free to do whatever you want.
Oh, I see. I see. You're right. You're really right, Miss Double G.
did you ever get treatment or
Yes,
see the get
yes. I went to my doctor, my psychiatrist, my psychologist, and my the last time is my uh what is that? I forgot. Yeah, like some treatment, and it was so pricey.
and that's work that
I yeah, but not that last. I mean, it's depend on me because it's also my habit since I was young.
oh and the
My late mom was a doctor.
oh, did you get medicine or just
Mm,
therapy or just oh,
hypnotherapy.
hypno?
Mm.
Oh, I see.
Okay, next.
Huh?
Okay.
Let's continue. Okay, what are the potential health and safety risks associated with exercise hoarding behavior? Okay, Miss Kay, time's yours.
What are the potential health and safety risks associated with excessive hoarding behavior? What are the potential health and safety risks? Okay. I, of course, they if they don't stop, if they don't get um if their illness don't I mean tidak tertangani, how to say ya, don't cover,
Mm,
they they get high risk with a hygiene, I mean with healthy, yeah, because they live in a dirty place, not hygiene. So the risk is about healthy, they're healthy, yeah, and there is no one like their condition. They will be individual. There is no one. Um, there is no one. Want to be their friend. Yeah, that's make them lonely like that. I don't know.
Okay, so
Yeah.
no one will visit. No one visit her.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
yeah, that's what I said earlier, right?
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, thank you, Miss Kay. And what about you, Miss Double G?
Me, if I have someone like her, I'm not gonna go near her. I mean, I'm phobia of germs and all this stuff. She might have a skin problem, yes, and maybe asthma, cough. Yeah, I don't want to get infected by her. Yeah, because I myself I check my full body checkup every 6 months, so I'm perfectly healthy and in perfect shape. I take good care of myself better than anyone else. I mean, in my family at least.
Okay, okay. That's all, Miss Double G.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, Miss. And for me, myself, guys, talk about potential health and safety risk. Actually, there are a lot of will be happen, guys. There are a lot of will be happen if someone has or live in the dirty place, especially there are a lot of germs, or they can breathe a good fresh air, of course, and also I guess that it's easy to get disease if someone has a dirty place. Not only about that, someone who will stay and or living in a dirty place, it's really hard for them to concentrate, I guess, because environment them that's very dirty, and then yeah, we can compare that if our room dirty and clean. On the other hand, we will say that, oh my god, I couldn't focus because my room is so dirty, or what should I do? Or of course, like you said before, that no one will visit our home, no one will be our friends, I guess. That's all, guys. For me, guys. Hold the first number. Wanna give addition, guys, about this one, please?
Yeah, sure.
Not yet.
What? Okay. Okay.
Okay, let's continue again. Okay, this is the last question, guys. What steps can individual take to prevent hoarding behavior from developing or worsening? Okay, Miss Kate.
What step can individual take to prevent hoarding behavior from developing or worsening? What can individual take to prevent mencegah hoarding behavior? Maksudnya ini mencegah hoarding disorder ya?
Ya, mencegah perkembangan atau memperburuk perilaku orang yang menimbun.
Mana, Miss?
Kayak langkah-langkah apa yang you can take it for prevent. Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm normal, but I like hoarding something, like a bottle or plastic or a cup. Yeah, if I bought meal with a cup or a bottle, I don't throw it. I wash that
Because it's a
thing.
recycle.
Yeah,
Recycle stuff. It's normal
yeah,
because
but
you're normal.
yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think I will need it someday, and I just keep it, but I never use it. Yeah, till my cupboard, till my
Cool.
apa mis selain cupboard itu tadi apa? Miss Liz tadi ngomongnya
Closet.
cabinet. Until my cabinet full, I never use it. And yeah, and I need throw up someday, like that. And I think um um we need prevent hoarding behavior like me, yeah, just keep something that you need, yeah, because the behavior like me can grow up become hoarding disorder, in the long term, like that. Yeah, it can be, yeah. In the long term, yeah, we need prevent earlier. Yeah, just keep thing that you really need it. If you don't need it, just throw it. Um, I have clothes. Yeah, I have old clothes, not deserve. Yeah, bolong. Yeah, baju-baju bolong like that. I still keep it.
Are you
I
Mm.
still keep it. Yes, sometimes
damn it?
I use it. I use it. Clean my house like that. But why I need a lot? I keep a lot.
Because maybe the clothes has story.
No, there is no story. Yeah,
Dibuang
I just
sayang.
feel, yeah, I just feel sayang if I throw it. I can use it mopping or clean the
Alas
table
kaki.
like that, but it's too much. Till my cupboard full. Oh my God. I think I need change my behavior, yeah. I worry if my behavior become hoarding disorder in long term. Okay, thank you.
I think that it's normal as a women's because women love shopping, right? It's normal, I guess. And let's hear Miss WG. Okay, Miss WG, time's yours.
Me, I'm the opposite from Miss K.
Mhm.
Aku kalau kalau baju bercak sap
Yeah,
kayak bercak darah bercak satu aja langsung aku buang.
yeah. Oh my
I
God.
throw it. Aku handuk handuk aku 6
Uh,
sehari ganti tiap hari ganti handuk.
Hah? Tiap hari ganti?
Ah,
Oh iya ya.
ya.
Oh, berarti
Eh, aku baju bolong kan masih kupakai.
berarti Miss J ini level bersihannya kayak baik banget ya, Miss?
Ah,
Oh,
Miss
terus
J,
kalau misalnya
don't
ya
call her, don't
Hah?
call her J, because it's similar with my name.
Iya,
okay.
Just call
J
her J or double J.
Okay, okay, okay.
JKLMN.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah. So when I feel that my room is already full, it's not about the unuseful products, but the new product. I I store a lot of new things in even kayak baju masih ada labelnya tuh aku simpen buat nanti kalau yang ini apa kalau yang udah dipakai kayak ada bolongnya, ada sobeknya, ada apa langsung aku buang kan. Aku
Hmm.
nyimpennya tuh yang baru, bukan yang
Hmm.
lama
Hmm.
gitu. So yeah, when I feel that my closet already full, so I want to declutter kayak yang eh, apa yang warna yang gak aku suka, apa yang kira-kira kekecilan gitu, aku kasih ke orang gitu.
Hmm. Okay. Um. Okay. In the end of the meeting, if you
Hmm,
don't mind, Miss J, could
ya.
you share your experience about your
Yeah,
disorder?
sure. Yeah,
Yeah, because I'm
sometimes
curious. If I
I challenge myself to visiting like my friend places, which is very different from mine. I keep comparing my my condition with them. Why they are so happy even they are living in such a small room, small house, and their house like uh or that it's very simple, but they're so happy. I know I'm happy, but I can't. Even I'm living in that room. It doesn't. It's kayak apa ya? Kayak aku tuh mungkin bisa hidup di tempat itu gitu.
Hmm.
I
Terus kalau kalau pergi ke hotel gitu,
Wah
eh,
iya, itu aku emang
ada kecemasan nggak? Ini
aku
bukan
bawa
rom.
ini. Aku bawa aku bawa spray sendiri, bawa bed cover sendiri, bawa handuk sendiri. Terus
Iya,
aku
iya.
semprot semuanya pakai Dettol.
Oh iya, 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 iya,
Even
iya.
di sananya udah bersih gitu kan, kelihatannya emang bersih, tapi masih ada aja kumannya gitu, dan aku ya bawa ini juga apa bawa persiapan. Aku selalu bawa sebelum ada COVID gitu, aku kemana-mana udah
Mhm.
pakai hand sanitizer. Temen aku sampai bilang kamu gila ya, biarin, karena aku nggak gilanya cuma buat sendiri, nggak dibagi-bagi ke orang lain.
Yeah, your condition like me when I was when uh when COVID came.
Mm, mm,
Yeah, in the beginning of COVID, I always I always wash um the food that I bought.
Mm,
Yeah,
mm, mm, mm.
even that the food, ya even kayak Cici apa
Mm,
susu
mm,
apa itu aku cuci bersih, aku
mm,
ada
mm, mm,
COVID-nya gitu.
mm.
Aku sabun gitu. Ya ampun, wah
Mending
aku
aku
sabun
aku
apa aja
disuruh
sabun.
aku disuruh nyuci beras juga dikasih sunlight.
You sure, Miss?
Ya,
You
Iya,
put sunlight.
enggak karena aku nggak tahu kan.
Oh,
Itu
I see.
tolong cuciin beras terus dimasak. Ya itu yang pertama disuruh masak nasi gagal karena dikasih sunlight gitu katanya kok bau sunlight dibuang. Terus
Well,
yang kedua terus aku lupa kan itu jangka waktunya lama banget. Terus yang kedua bagaimana cara memasak nasi gitu satu satu cangkir apa beras gitu tanpa aku cuci aku masukin ke itunya sama gelasnya sama ke magicomnya terus sama airnya juga tetap di dalam gelas mau 10 tahun juga nggak bakalan matang.
it's very bad, ya, come on. But oh my God, what is your family expectation when you wash the rice with the sunlight? Sunlight.
Ya mereka mereka kan udah lapar gitu mau makan di luar gitu nggak sempat terus yaudah deh masak nasi aja beli lauknya gitu kan ternyata sudahlah.
Yeah, that's okay. That's a great experiment
Mhm,
that
ya
you
terus nggak pernah disuruh lagi lagian aku benci banget sama dapur.
I see. For me myself, I don't have the kitchen, yes. I
Mm-mm,
don't have kitchen, but for cook, it's not my hobby.
mm,
That's why I rarely cook for myself because I still learn. I'm staying learn, and yeah, it's common for me to order or go to an outside.
mm-mm.
Okay, guys. So please continue. Double G.
Sampai berapa
oh
lama sih nih?
Almost done. This is the
the
last.
finish ya, the last question.
Oh oke
Kita sharing-sharing aja. Aku penasaran nih
ya
sama itunya Miss J nih. Itu awalnya kayak mana sih Miss? Awalnya itu kok bisa
ibu
mengidap itu?
ibu aku
Adakah trauma atau gimana gitu?
enggak ibu aku kan dokter jadi kebiasaan mencuci tangan itu emang udah dari kecil diajarkan terus kedua itu ibu aku tuh kayak yang ibu aku bukan OCD sih tapi ya normal tapi disiplinnya tuh banget banget misalnya tadi beli apa ciki yang kamu dicuci ya aku
Mm.
bukan cuma dicuci aja itu
Heeh.
label yang di belakang kemasan nutrition fact-nya itu dibaca semua sama ibu aku
Oh my God.
terus yang ini boleh tapi dikit aja yang ini
Oh,
nggak boleh ini kebanyakan mengandung
oh jadi,
apa pewarna pemanis perasa apa segala macem nanti kamu kayak gini kamu kan nggak
oh,
bisa kalau aku makan kayak apa ya ciki kayak yang
heeh,
citatop apa citos kayak gitu-gitu
heeh,
mulut aku, apa lidah aku langsung kayak kebakar kayak gitu terus kan ada MSG-nya tuh terus
heeh.
kayak haus haus terus aku sehari bisa bisa minum air segalon bisa dihabisin sama aku
Hmm,
nggak bisa aku makan kayak gitu
jadi
gituan
itu namanya OCD ta? Atau apa namanya? OCD,
Ah, iya emang
OCD ya?
iya
Oh,
But I
gitu.
guess that as a doctor, it's normal. I guess if they still.
Kayak itu loh Miss, kayak
tapi
videonya Membris yang
ibu aku tuh normal maksudnya
iya,
ini
cuma
nggak ada genetik.
karena berlebihan jadinya kamu yang masih kecil akhirnya menerima itu dengan berlebihan juga ya, akhirnya terbawa
Mm-mm,
ya.
mm-mm,
Jadi kayak gitu ya Miss.
mm.
Tapi kalau makan gitu ada ketakutan nggak ini banyak kuman gitu makanannya gitu?
Makan semua ibu aku yang nyiapin
Oh nggak pernah beli di luar?
enggak
Hmm, nggak mau ya kalau dikasih makanan dari
bukannya
luar?
nggak bisa kalau nggak keluar lagi kayak dimuntahin langsung mencret gitu.
I get it. Like this, Miss K. That if Double J eats something, actually, she can eat it, but it's
Mm-mm,
happened from their body like that. It can
mm-mm,
receive from their body like that.
Yeah. My digestion system it's not as good as others.
Like that. Okay. Anything else, Miss Kay, before we end our discussion?
Kenapa kita nggak di WA aja sih? Mana nomornya?
Actually, we have a group, Double J.
Oh, okay. Just add me
Our
there.
group, we talk about women's talk, and all of the group are mana ya? Women's talk. All of the member of that group are women, and then we have a doctor too inside. We have a lab.
Oh, okay.
If you want to join, yeah,
Yeah, just add my. Okay,
just give
I
your.
text you in private. I text you in private.
Yeah, just put your number here. Actually, we always limit it.
I forgot. I forgot my number. That's why.
Just chat me. Oh yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you, by the way. I'll
Yeah.
I'll put you later, or invite you later.
Okay, fine.
If you ask about why we only three people here, because
Mhm.
we have already our group, our room, because this room, because if we have a lot of participants here, it's
Mhm.
really good for us, especially we want to practice our English, right? If we have a
Mhm.
lot of people here, it means that we don't have a lot of time to practice like that. So
Yeah.
if you find that only for a few people here, yeah, that's our reason, by the way. So I guess that it's enough for tonight, guys. Thank you,
Okay.
Double J, for joining here. And
Bye. See you.
if I have a mistake to you, maybe about my word, or
No, it's okay.
okay.
It's not a big deal.
Miss Double J. See ya again.
Bye. See ya.
Gimana nih? Oh, aku harus stop. Oh, ini dulu ya.
Yeah.
Aku ini masih ini nggak sih? Ini masih